Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is the PreSonus Temblor T8 subwoofer. There's a lot of things that we really love about this subwoofer. So we have our subwoofer in this cabinet, and here's a sample of the sound. I am by no means a sound engineer, but I do know that this subwoofer has an excellent sounding bass. And what I like about it is that it doesn't get distorted even at higher volumes. It just delivers a clear, crisp sound. There are a lot of controls that you can adjust on the back of the speaker. So my husband is good at that, and as you can see from this tangled mess, he has it connected to a couple of PreSonus Eris speakers. This is great for watching TV or listening to music or whatever we need to do. So if you're after that excellent sound quality, then definitely check out this subwoofer from PreSonus, and that's my point of view.